Na UPCN ng nagajanmit ng napay biyang Shaki bentajong kakubor. Ka Sarkar Jela ha kapratarik unaylor arhajar arpuar kala IT ke Jaka Kaba Akar Shaki he jong ka Central Reserve Police Force ha New Shillong Township mau diang na kebenta banbo iki Ktem ba Shirta jong kisipai Crpf. Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Conrad kongkal Sangma ula IT ke Shiti Jaka Shaki he Crpf ha ke jingalang ke belalong ha Secretariat. Haga balairan lang Myntri Korbari ke Jelau ba la Kemen Rumboy, Chief Secretary ke Jelau ba DP walang kihe Crpf bat kihe Officer Sarkar. Conrad kongkal Sangma ulong bagi pulit Crpf kila kerpat la bonsnem na ke Sarkar ban Jaka ban bo ika Ktem ke Shirta. Kamtam haba ke Crpf kila bo iki Ktem ke Shipor hakeleng ke benta jong ke Shillong. Ulong bag Sarkar kalarai ban Jaka Bashpo Akar ha ke New Shillong Township ya ke Crpf. Kenang bagian bu ke Ktem ke Shirta, bad hadian bag Crpf keladap Shna ke Ktem ke Shirta. On sapen kenria no ebro ki Ktem ke badan hakeleng kenong ba. Kamtam haba keladon ru kejing dawan ki pat ba badiban pen kenria no ke Crpf ke badan hamaulai. Conrad kongkal Sangma ulong bahadian bag Crpf keladap ban pelat iki Jaka ke badan hakenong ba Shillong. Ka Sarkar kan sasyong perkat kumno ban penan kami ni Jaka. Bat ke Sarkar Jela kadani ke jingtmu bante ya ke Skill and Entrepreneurship Training Center lani ke Arts and Culture Center hamaulai hadian bagi pulit Crpf kelamino nakini ki Jaka.
And they have been camped in different temporary locations. And the Crpf for many years has requested the government of Meghalaya to give a permanent location and a permanent camp to them. And because this permanent location was not given, the Crpf different battalions and companies have been kept in different parts of the city and the state on a temporary basis, but which has extended for a very long time. And hence today we have decided and in fact handed over the allotment of 10 acres of land in the new Shillong Township area next to IIM for the Crpf to have a permanent camp in the state of Meghalaya, which will further facilitate the process of shifting the temporary camps and taking the different Crpf personnel from those temporary camps to the permanent camp that is being the land which is being given to them. And in the process, we also discussed regarding the shifting of the camps in certain locations where there had been a lot of demand from the public also, like in the areas of Maulai. So those discussions also were done, and this process also will start. And as they finalize and as the approval from Government of India, from MHA comes, for the taking over of the land which has been allotted by us, the process of also shifting as well as constructing the permanent site will start. Apart from that, we have also discussed that especially in Maulai area, in the camp that is there next to the Maulai police station, that we will further, once this shifting process takes place, we also discussed on how the land can be utilized to have skill or entrepreneurship training facilities and centers, and different art and culture centers also are being planned in that area. So all these discussions had taken place, and we had a very productive meeting, and we're hopeful that very soon the approval from MHA will come for the taking over of the land by the Crpf, which has been allotted by us today. And today, in a very important meeting, the government of Meghalaya has handed over the allotment land, the letter of allotment to the Crpf.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.